Hello, how to place drawing in a master layout so that you can be able to print your drawings, plans, and elevations. This is in an example of a drawing with different elevations, sections, and also plan view. I will not focus on how to create the elevations and how to create the sections. You can see this section. This is the interior of this house. You can see the elevations. That is the west, east, north, and south elevation, and another interior section. I will focus on how you can place the drawing in a master layout. So you can see these options here. There are four options. On the right top, as you can see here. So I will start by creating a new master layout, master landscape layout. So you can see there are also four options here. Settings, this is the option for settings, new layout, new master layout, new subset. So we want to create a new master layout. So I will click here. You can choose the size of the paper. I will choose A1. And then you can change the other settings here. Then just create. So this is the new master layout we have created. Now I want to place these elevations, sections, and plan view in this master layout. Okay, now you will go to the view map here. Now this is a layout books. The first option is project map. The second option is view map. The third option is layout books, and the fourth option is publisher sets. So we'll go to view maps. Now I will pick my foundation level, that is fire foundation level, and then just drag it here. Um, so after that, we need just to trim to the exact portion that we want to place in this master layout. So just drag this. Pick and I'll pick there. Okay, then pick adjust frame. Then Then I'll go back to view maps. Then you can see this condition level is selected. So click settings. Here you can be able to change the scale and other settings. Maybe a scale of 1:10 will be okay. Then change this one to plans approval. Plan status. Then you can change here the dimensioning. Either you want to use meters or US architect, that is foot and inches. I will click here, then okay. Let me delete and drag it again, that point. Then just pick stretch, that point, that point. Okay, then I will pick, go back to view maps, pick my flow level. Okay, again trim. Again, you can change the settings. If you want to change this dimensioning to meters, for example, just go to view maps, select the floor plan, then click settings, change it to plain meters, and then the other settings are okay. So I'll click OK. And you see this one will automatically update to meters. You can see this dimension here is changed to meters. The reason why these dimensions are not changed is because I have done what we call, let me go to open source view. You can see this is not the dimension, this is just a custom text. Okay, it's not the measured, it's not the measured dimension, it's not the measured value. If, for example, I change this one to measured value, you can see the dimension is changing now to meters. All right. Now, if I go to master layout, So let this update. Now you can see the dimension has changed. So until now we go to view map, and then you have to select elevated ground floor, then settings, then change this one to US architect, and then okay. So now the dimension will change to feet. Open source view, go to options, preference, working units. Okay. Option, preference, dimensions, change to US architecture. Okay. Right now, let's go to options, working preference, dimensions. Decimal inches. Okay, 0 decimal. All right, now go back to our master. Right, let's click to update. We just remove this one. View settings. We want to use US architects. And then our scale, I want to change to 1:10 feet. Then okay. Then drag it. Okay. Then just again trim. Now you can see the dimensions are appearing in feet and inches. But the drawing is not appearing properly. So let me go to let me delete this one. Again, I'll go to view map, settings. Now this is not same option. Building plan, graphic override, uh, drafting, then existing plan, all plan status, then okay, just drag. The reason for that appearance with no fill or color is because we have selected same. Now this one is this one is okay. So I'll just trim. So the reason I was, let me go back to view. The reason was this was sailing plans has no fill or color because it's planned for roof sailing. So you have to change that so that these colors will appear. So I just move this one. And so we have to pick this one to trim up to that point, and just move here. Okay. Then again, I want to add my elevation. So I'll go this and pick one elevation, drag it there. Okay. Again, you can go to settings. So let me check the dimensions and stuff. Again, you can go to view map. Again, click setting and change the settings here accordingly. All right. So I will just drag this point. I can pick one more elevation and then section. Maybe this elevation. So I'm picking elevations, plans, and everything in our view map, right? And now every time you change your drawing, these elevations will be changing accordingly. Okay. So you don't need to be updating anything here. Every time you do a revision to your drawing, it will be updating here. Then if you are done, let me first pick one section. I'll pick this section and place it there. Okay. Maybe to maximize on the space, just drag it here. There's a lot of space. And then maybe let me pick this section. Now this is based on where you placed your elevation and section tools. Remember, you place, let me go to the floor plan. You go to viewpoint, and then pick elevation on section 2. This section 2, this elevation 2. Pick and then draw where you want to view your elevation from. Maybe from this point, that way. Okay. Then pick. Now this one you will view this side of the building. Now this one you will not be able to view everything because this should extend to uh, covering the entire length of the building. So this is not covering the entire up to the it's covering up to some distance in the staircase, and that is the only thing you will be able to see in your elevation or section. Now, if you are done, you can just come here. Maybe you don't want this to update, or when every time you change the building, you want to save it like this. You can just right click. So let me stop building. You can just right click and explode into current view. Right click and maybe explode into current view. If you don't want this to be updated every time you change the drawing, but I will not recommend that because it's good to your client may ask you to do some revision, maybe add some lights, maybe add some windows at this point, because maybe the client they house to have more light from sunlight, so we need windows openings here or glass here and somewhere there, so that when you update, it will automatically update, and then you can just come and print your layout. So after that, you can just go to File, Save As. All right. You can save in form of PDF, DXF, and stuff. When you cancel, maybe let me go to these settings. I may change the settings. And I want to set this A1 landscape as default for new layouts. Okay, so that if now I create a new layout, so the only thing that is missing, this one I added also from my drawing. So this is basically some text that I have. I inserted this text I have inserted here. You can also insert this. So let me go to, you can also insert this because I inserted this and also exploded into current view. Alright, so this one is exploded already into current view. And also this one is from, let me go to this file level. Now this one is from here, right? Just insert this, drag this, and then trim up to this portion. And I explore in current view and then delete this text. So thanks guys. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next video.